If you want to add or remove the Bluehost coming soon page, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is really useful if your website is still under construction and you want visitors to see a simple placeholder page, or if your site is ready and you want to show the real homepage instead. And before we begin, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Websites. This section is where Bluehost lists all the websites connected to your account, so you can manage them from one place. Next, find the website you want to work on. If you have more than one site, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one. This part is important because any changes you make will apply to the site you choose. After you locate the website, click Manage Site. This will open the settings and tools for that specific website. Now, inside the site management area, go to the Advanced tab. Bluehost keeps a lot of the more detailed site options here, including the Coming Soon page setting. Once the Advanced tab opens, look for the Coming Soon page section. This is the feature that controls whether visitors see the placeholder page or your live website. If you want to display the Coming Soon page, simply turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Bluehost will show the Coming Soon page to your visitors instead of the full site. This is great when your website is still being built, when you're making major changes, or when you want to keep the site hidden until launch. If you want to remove the Coming Soon page and show your actual website, just turn the toggle off. That will disable the placeholder page and make your live site visible to the public again. So to recap, if the toggle is on, the Coming Soon page is active. If the toggle is off, your real website is visible. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference depending on whether your site is ready to go live. If you're managing a new site, I recommend checking this setting anytime you launch or update your website so you don't accidentally leave the Coming Soon page enabled. That's one of the most common mistakes beginners make. And that's it. You now know how to add or remove the Bluehost Coming Soon page in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.